sometimes we doesn't know how to keep, how to do, what to
Yes.
do. And this is the halacha for the Noahide people, that 7 law. It's very important to make focus for that. And about the history first, Hashem he command the new man Adam the six law only, only 6. When Hashem creation the Adam, the new man, it was Friday.
Yes.
Friday afternoon, Hashem creation Adam from the creation the body of the Adam first, and after creation the body. Maybe can we make it hot in the micro? Ate, take these 2, put it in the micro for 2 minutes, also 2 minutes, and if they have more, put more, okay? And that after that, bring back.
Balik.
Okay? Thank you. After Hashem creation all the animals, the last person, the last thing in the world, Hashem creation Adam, the human. Human?
Yes.
Why Hashem creation human? The last is the important one, more than the manok,
Yes.
more than others animals. Why creation human later?
Yes.
If we very important, you have to be first, no?
Special.
Yes.
To be first.
Separate.
Special.
Why not come first? Because the important people become last. For example, if we visitor, for example, the prime minister or the president
Yes.
came for a program, he not come the first and he wait for the simple people. Everybody
They
gathering
came last.
together. Everybody gathering together. We bring the food. We bring all the guests. Everybody waiting, and then he came the last.
The last.
Because
Special.
VIP person.
VIP and everybody there already there. Hashem, Adam, the human is the important in the world, because all the world, all the animals and all the tree, all the fruit, everything, it's for the human. It's for Adam.
Yes.
It's not for the animals.
Yes.
This is the goal. This is the work for all the things in the world. Hashem creation to service the human, and this is the reason why creation the human last.
Yes.
And the human creation Friday afternoon. Not in the story of the 6 days.
Yes.
In the first
Bereshit.
week when Hashem created the world with 6 days. Hashem he just talk. He just talk, and after he talk, from that word creation the world. And not everything together. The first day only the light and the dark. The Sunday.
Yes.
In one day, the heaven and the heaven and the earth. And Tuesday,
Yes.
all the
Yom Shi'ir,
tree,
Yom Shibi'i,
or the
Yom
tree,
Shishi.
yes. In Tuesday, all the tree or the fruit.
All the lights, lighting
No, the lights.
is there.
The first one.
Sunday, the light and the dark. But Tuesday, all the fruit, all the trees, all the tree and all the fruits in the world. In Wednesday, the sun and the moon and all the stars,
Galaxy.
all the galaxy of the stars, and the moon and the sun. And Thursday, all the animals and the fish
Yes.
and the chicken. And Friday,
Is the human.
the human. Yes, correct.
Adam.
And Hashem, in the same day, he was a baby because it was only old 1 day.
Also,
1 day,
Rabbi,
less than 1 day.
Also the queen.
Just newborn.
How about the queen of the Bill Rabbi? LL.
What?
LL?
What is that?
Lilith? Lilith?
What is
Is
that?
that the first wife of Adam?
Chava.
No, the first in the Jewish mythology, like
The wife of Adam?
in
Only
the heavenly-
Chava.
only-
Chava?
No, Lilith. This name? No.
Chava? Chava? You know Chava?
Yes.
Yes.
Eva.
Eva?
In Cebuano.
Eva?
Yeah,
She is the Only one wife of Adam, no more. One wife.
So history rin nas kuan dai.
Asa na history
Mythology rin lagi na.
mythology na siya. Na ang the first wife ni Adam really that
Il
Di sa kabala na. Sa
Kabalistic
kabala.
na.
Dili yung taga.
wa tilabot na.
Di ta pwede tuluan na. Kabalistic na siya. Anong nga million years, 1,000 years? Di ta pwede tuluan na. Kabalistic na siya.
Maybe now it's more.
Kita tuluan ta antong 6,000 years ago.
Another one coming. Okay, we stay. Okay, Hashem. Oh, Adam, the new man, he was only newborn, less than 1 day, but he looked like 20 years old. Hashem creation, the new man, not like a baby.
Baby, yeah.
Like he look like an adult.
He directly
Adult, like 20 years old.
20 years?
But no, it's not really 20 years. It's only newborn, but he look
Like
Like-
20 years?
like you. You look like 20, no? The same like you.
39? Me?
But you look like 20, no?
Wala ko siya.
Adam, he was a
20 years old?
newborn, but it's not look like a baby.
Baby?
He look like a human because he married the same day. Yeah, if you are a baby, you cannot marry. He cannot marry the same day.
And also, Rabbi, it is true that Adam,
The skin of Adam, it's like the nail.
like the nails.
Yeah, like the nails.
like
all,
the fish, they have skills.
No, all the same like
All
that.
the same.
No, the fish, like fish, they have skills.
No,
like
only,
that.
only like the nail.
Like,
One part.
all
one
body.
part. Not many parts. But the same like the nail, but everything, all the body. Maybe now it's good after hot. Okay. And Hashem eat how many mitzvot, how many law Hashem he tell Adam?
6,
Only 6. Not
7,
not 7.
not 613.
Not 613. Only 6. What is the 6 mitzvot Hashem he told Adam? Not work idolatry.
Idolatry.
To believe in Hashem and not work idolatry, other God, only one God. And the second, where is this?
Not to curse Hashem. The other guy.
Yes. You been here last week also?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, the first two, not to work idolatry, and the second, not to, how you call that in a
Not to curse Hashem.
curse Hashem,
Yes.
not to curse Hashem.
Blasphemy.
If someone is very
Angry.
angry, he lost all the money. Someone is patay,
Yes.
he very angry. Never not curse Hashem. Chas v'shalom. Not cross Hashem. We know in Hebrew we not say cross, we say bless. But the meaning of that it's not to bless Hashem, we say, but the meaning of not to bless, not to cross. What we say, not to cross Hashem. Hashem told them. Also the third one, not to kill.
Yeah.
Even babies, even, and you know also if someone is pregnant,
The
not allowed to kill the baby.
abortion.
Abortion.
It's like the killing, the same like killing. But in Philippines,
Abortion.
it's illegal, no?
Illegal also.
Illegal. It's good. It's like the Torah.
But some country they have legal
Other country, yes. In Israel,
very bad
Israel, it's legal.
also.
Yeah. Anyway, but in Philippines, it's good.
Yes,
You follow Hashem.
because they have more Sephardic Jews here.
The Maranot, no?
Marano. Yes.
Where it's flow,
No, maybe they are busy in habal driving.
coming.
Yes.
Love-
I call him later, but she didn't answer.
Well,
Kuan or mas kuan.
Ibutan mo ito.
This is from Shabbat, from yesterday
Yes.
noon.
Yes, yes.
It's so delicious, Rabbi. Bro, chef.
Every week you want, we keep for Sunday the same.
It's your
Sometimes everybody eating finish in Shabbat. It depends how many people.
What's the name of this food, Rabbi?
They have
Shakshuka?
to-
Shakshuka?
No, it's not shakshuka. They have shakshuka. It's eggs and
Tomatoes.
kamatis.
Kamatis, yeah. You know the Cebuano language.
Slowly. Yeah, kamatis and eggs. But this is not shakshuka. This is called chamin.
Kami.
Chamin, other word, it's chont. The Ashkenazi people, you know Ashkenazi Jews
Yes.
came from Europe. They call
German.
that chont. And the Sephardic Jews, they call that chamin.
Kami.
This is especially for Shabbat. Why? Because in Shabbat we're not allowed to cook, right?
Yes.
And you want to eat a hot food. If it's not hot, it's not delicious. What can you do?
No oven.
You cannot cooking.
Yes,
you cannot
no.
cooking in Shabbat morning. You cannot eat a hot food, right?
Yes. Not allowed.
But we like to eat a hot food in Shabbat. It's a mitzvah to enjoy in Shabbat. But we have a problem. We're not allowed to open a fire. Even
Even the Gentiles.
even Gentiles. If it's for Jewish, it's a problem. It's not allowed
No,
also.
only your katabang helper.
No, not
Also
allowed.
not allowed?
Not allowed. Because it's for you. If it's for you, you cannot take a taxi even if the driver is not Jew. If you cannot enjoy from a non-Jewish
Other people.
other people, you make it for if you make it for you in Shabbat. You cannot using non-Jewish to on the fire and cooking for you also. And you have a problem.
In our preparation by in Shabbat,
Pero ako,
Friday,
siya ako gagawin ko.
afternoon, I will buy
Pero testing na lang ito, ito giluto. Ayaw na ko ba yung kabaw?
The what?
like this one. Yeah. Kasi tawag na tuwag ka ng one, ka ng
Kamatis?
dili, kamuti.
Kamuti. Saan na siya man?
Pipino.
No? Kamuti. Potatoes.
Sweet potato.
Yeah. This most preparation for Shabbat.
Oh,
And
but
also banana,
my question:
vegetable.
how it's possible? How can we eat a hot food in Shabbat morning if not allowed to cook? And the answer, the idea of a plata. Plata, it's like a electric. It look like electric.
Oven.
No.
Electric stove.
I can show
Metal
you.
plate.
Metal plate.
Metal plate.
Electric. Yeah. It's slowly hot. Slowly. It's lower
heat.
hot.
Lower heat.
Lower heat. You connect to the plug,
Black.
and it's lower heat overnight. And put the pot before sunset, Friday afternoon before sunset. Put the pot and keep it hot until Shabbat morning, or Shabbat noon. But the problem, if you put a fish or chicken or something like that, after so many hours overnight, can be
More.
it's a patay.
Overcooked.
It's not. You cannot eat nothing.
Panos.
For that, you have that specialist food. It's full with water, a lot of water inside, and also the barley and the beans. It's good. It's good for long cooking with a lot of water, and that is special for. This is the reason why it's special for Shabbat morning, because it's long cooking, and nobody move. Put it Friday afternoon, close the pot. It's ready only in Shabbat morning or Shabbat noon, and it's good taste.
Only to
Overnight
make-
cooking. Yes. This is the reason why everybody preparing for that for Shabbat, because you cannot prepare other.
Other food.
Other,
If you put a fish or some other or after overnight, it's not good taste. But this is good taste for Shabbat morning.
who one discover this food?
What?
Sa Facebook.
Huh?
Facebook.
Google. Can you search?
What Jewish man discovered this?
What?
Who discover?
What is this guy?
Discover the first one who
I don't know. Many years ago. Maybe Moshe Rabbeinu.
Moshe Rabbeinu.
I'm joking. Okay, this is the six mitzvot Hashem command Adam, the new man, not to work idols, not to cross Hashem,
Not to steal,
not to kill,
not to kill.
not even babies, even pregnant,
Abortion.
and Gilui Arayot, not to married with not to married with a married wife,
Yeah.
maybe married women.
Yes.
It's not only about married women, it's also not boy with boy,
Yeah.
Yeah.
and not with an animal,
Like
not with sister.
Yeah.
LGBTQ,
LGBT.
LGBT.
I would say that word in Hebrew we say Gilui Arayot.
Yes.
I would say in English
LG
No. This adultery.
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 Yeah.
Adultery. To respect the family.
Yes.
This is the two word, but it's including many. We have to learn. It's long. It's many halachot about that. Many halacha about that. Lot of halachot.
Higram Habris Rabbi
Hmm?
is like to kill.
To kill.
Higram Habris.
Gamma Brit.
Yeah, it's like
Yes.
killing. Also in the six laws.
No.
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 Six.
It's a good question, but it's not a
Particular in the six in the law.
yes.
The 6
Only in the 613. Only in the Jewish law.
Also not.
Mhm.
Also not. But
That's a
this is
very big sin.
Very long
sin.
story.
Very big sin, yes. But it's not a part of one of
613
them.
laws. Mhm.
Okay. And what about Vala Gezel? Not to steal.
Yes.
And it's two kinds of steal. Someone he came night time, everybody, nobody see, only Hashem. But no police, no neighbor, and he steal. And other kind of stealing, it's like the
Very. This
Actual
Like the force.
two.
Yeah,
to rob.
yeah, snatch.
You have to snatch.
Not afraid from anyone,
Yeah.
but both of them it's not allowed, even for Noah.
Tulis ba?
Even it's a small, maybe one coins or like a tissue or something like that. Nobody see.
Also
Not
not
allowed.
like also you get the kamungay in the neighborhood.
The vegetable.
Vegetable. Not allowed.
You know, we have our vegetable
Moringa.
like
Moringa.
moringa tree. It's kalamungay.
But I saw one time in the market, not here in other country, people going in the market and you take a little bit, one grape, something like that.
Also still
It's still not allowed.
maybe it's British
Similar
like
as you
No.
British.
No. If the seller asks you to taste, it's okay. But some people nobody see. Take one or
Maybe she
big
hungry.
avera.
Maybe she hungry.
But if hungry, you have to buy or ask. But not allowed to take without permission. Even it's only 1 peso
Okay.
or 1 cent. Even 1 cent. Less
Even
than
one-
1 peso.
you want-
Avera.
0.1
1
Like that?
0.01 avera, big avera to steal. Because if someone is steal something after if died, the soul come back to the world
Yes.
to give back. To give back.
That's why we
same.
still poor.
My father one time he buy a double deck bed.
Yes.
When we was a child, I was a child. He buy in order, and it came from the company came a double deck, you say?
Yes,
Bed.
double deck.
And there was two problems. One problems the size of the mattress
It's
of the
different.
of the
Second.
second floor.
Yes.
Too,
Too much.
too much big.
Mm.
Too much big. It cannot put it inside. It's going like that.
Yes.
Mm.
Not the straight bar.
Yeah.
And the other one, no. I call it
No climb.
no climb, no
Ladder.
stairs,
Ladder.
no stairs,
Ladder.
no stairs. You ask where is the stairs? Oh, I'm sorry, we forgot. What about the mattress? Okay, we'll change it. He say we'll change later. Okay, give the first payment because when you order, you have to pay maybe 50%
Maybe
to 70%.
your father
he give
buy-
advance,
Yeah.
the first payment advance, and you have to pay more. But the guy told me don't pay right now. We have first to change the mattress.
Yeah.
I will come back to with a new mattress. We'll change, and also with the stairs. And then when we finish, you will pay. Say okay, no problem. And you wait. You just wait. And after few days, few weeks, nobody call, nobody come.
Maybe they
He start to call the people. Nobody answer.
no
many
even
times.
Chinese.
No, in Israel,
Ah.
Jewish.
I
He called the people. Nobody answer, and after a long time, he told them, "Oh, we closed the store,
the company.
the company, no more company because we have a problem with the bank, we have a problem with the money. We closed the company." They say, "Okay, but I have to pay the last payment for the bed." He say, "You no need to pay. It's not the exact mattress. It's not no stairs. You don't need to pay, and no company, no store. It's not my. I'm not the owner. No need to pay." The father say, "No, I need to pay. I want to pay." I asked them. I was a child. I asked them why you like to pay if it's not
Not
good quality, no stairs, nobody change.
Yes.
He say because I don't want to. After I will patay, my soul will go to the heaven, and Hashem ask why you not pay. You use and you not pay.
Ask your
And
father.
he send my soul back to the world to give the money back to that person. I don't want. I like to pay, to finish to pay totally. I don't care stairs, no stairs, mattress, no mattress. I don't want a problem later. And also this is for Noah. It's also you have to be
The same law.
straight
Yes.
with Hashem.
Yeah.
Even nobody care. You have about your soul and about your connection with Hashem. You have to be straight with Hashem, to be straight with other people. Even 1 cent, less for 1 peso, only 1 cent.
Yes.
Give back. Give back for everybody. Not still never. Even nobody see. Even nobody know. We have to, and if someone sometimes before we take, we have to give back for the people because we don't want problem later for our soul.
Our soul.
Yeah, chas v'shalom. Okay.
Cash be shalom.
Yes, and what else? Dinim. Vala dinim. We have to put a judge people, not Jewish, even Noahide in every city to take care about that city and about the people in the city. All of them will be good, like all the others. No steal, no kill. If someone kill or steal, they have to make to punish them.
Yes.
Punish them. You know the story in the Torah in Genesis about the daughter of Jacob. The daughter of Jacob, it was Dinah.
Dina.
You know that story?
Yeah.
Dinah, the son of the president in Shechem. It's a city in Israel. He arrested her. And the two brothers of Dinah, two sons of Jacob,
Levi.
Shimon and Levi, right? And they ask the others, all the people in that city, you have to make a circumcise. If we want to marry together with you, we have to make a circumcise for all the boys and the make. And the third day, after 3 days, when there was a big pain, they kill all the men.
Yes.
All the men in that city, And we have a question why they make like that. It's not allowed to kill people for free. It's also a mitzvah. We read it before. Hashem he told Adam, never kill. And what is the answer? The answer, because there was the responsibility for all the city. When the son of that president, his name was Hamor, he took Dinah, Hamor or Shechem? Shechem or Hamor? No, Shechem it's the son of Hamor. Shechem was the name of the city and also the name of the son of the president, Hamor. And the Shechem, that young boy, he make a sin because he still Dinah. And all the other neighbors around, they doesn't do nothing. They don't care. Okay, like the Hamas in Gaza. Some of them kill Jewish people, and all the others neighbor, they don't do nothing. It's all of them not good. But all of them because why? This is the Rambam say. Maimonides he say that about that story about Dinah. Why? Because we have another mitzvah to put a judge man in every city and to take care about all the people. If the people of that city did not put a judge to, if someone make something wrong, to punish them, it is the responsibility. They not keep that mitzvah of the judge. It's a mitzvah of the 7 law of Noah. It's also that it's a very important mitzvah because some people say, okay, I care about my things. I don't care about others. I never kill, I never steal, I'm a good person. But no, you have a responsibility for others. If you have the opportunity to teach the others and to punish the bad people, and you doesn't know nothing, it's your problem also. If you have a power to punish the bad people, you have to arrest them. I read yesterday about it's a small country in
Yemen,
in south of America,
Hawaii,
El Salvador.
Hawaii,
El Salvador. Before few years, it was crazy place. They kill each other every day. Many people
died.
No, but that country, El Salvador, it was the number. It's only 6 million people there. Small country, but the people there very
Smart,
Very worse.
very dangerous.
dangerous. They kill
Each other.
and it's a new president there. He take all the
People,
bad people, arrest them. Like
Duterte.
he build the new jails for them. And how we know who it's the one he make problems? They have, how we call that, the
feeling.
no, not feeling. Kakuim,
The gangs in El Salvador are very evil. Like they would cut someone's head off and then they would play soccer.
But now it's okay.
Now, yeah, but it's just recent. And then also
Tattooing.
Catholic.
no.
like El Salvador, they had gangs, and the gangs also went to the U.S.
Tattoos.
To other countries.
Tattoos?
Tattoo.
Tattoos?
Tattoo. This
Like painting the
Yeah.
arm.
Mga tattoo.
Mga tattoo.
They have all the
Tattoo.
groups. It was two groups fighting. They have everyone. They have many.
yeah.
He say if you have that, you are bad. Arrest.
So that's the sign. Like
This is the sign. He
like
arrest
circumcised.
like a second, but everybody see.
No, yes.
It's many.
Yes.
There was here and here. So many, and he new young president. He say if someone have that, it's a sign.
He's not good out.
It's like a I call that the
terrorist.
Not,
The Hamas.
not only that, terrorists, yes, but also pesha, no?
Ex-convict, something.
Ex-convict.
The word is
Criminal.
criminal. Criminal. If you have that, you are a criminal. Arrest. And arrest like 100,000 people in the jail. All of them like that every day, all over the day.
Every day?
Over the day, overnight. And now, no more people killing, no more killing in the street.
Yeah.
It's safe. Now it's safe. It's open a new Chabad there.
Then Kabal?
Yeah, like last year, new Chabad there because before no tourist. Nobody like to very dangerous, and now it's safe and more Israelis traveling.
The same
It's
in the
also
Philippines.
Chabad for the tourists.
Same here?
Yeah, same in the Philippines before.
Before the 30.
Before the 30,
So very snatching.
Dangerous.
very
Okay.
no
Bullshit,
no
knocking.
justice, no justice.
Because it's also
It's gone, so now there's criminals again. Everybody's doing drugs again.
When the time of the 30, they all
Yeah,
but now again
it's back.
still back.
Still back.
not this, but I
Because-
think not the same.
Not the same.
Not the same before.
It's close.
Yes.
I mean, people are getting killed. People just got killed at a market not too long ago, close to where we live, and then people are doing drugs everywhere.
In Qatar?
Drug addict.
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Not in Qatar.
Even
everywhere.
here, people
Because they not learn the 7 law. Oh,
Yes.
Yes.
They have an innocent of the
Innocent
of the law.
of Hashem.
Yeah, but if
In the Torah.
someone you afraid only from the police, sometimes no police. Can you do eating? Can you do something wrong? But if you care about Hashem is everywhere, anytime, non-stop. You cannot make something wrong because the world is not a jungle. It's not jungle.
Jungle.
Yes.
The world they have a leader.
Yes.
Okay, that is the 7 law from to Newman to Adam. But after 10 generation came Noah.
Noah.
After that was the Mabul.
It flees from
This is my translator today.
Giloy Haray.
No, Mabul. The raining,
Flood.
the flood of Noah.
Blood of Noah.
And after the flood of Noah, when Noah went out from the ark,
The ark.
Hashem give additional new mitzvah, the 7th mitzvah to Noah, not to eat.
Flesh torn from a living animal.
Exactly. Not to eat apart from animal before died. You have to kill the animal first, and then
Cook.
can
But
you
how
eat.
about
But you cannot take a part from the animal when she is still alive
Live, yeah.
and to eat.
But before that law, Rabbi, they eat fish.
Before that law, nobody eats animals.
Fish.
Including-
How about fish?
Fish already is.
Good question. I have to check. But I don't know about the fish. But about the before that,
No
nobody.
animals.
Hashem, he not read it here, but I know from the other part in the Torah, Hashem is say to Adam, to the new man, not eat
Yes.
animals like a vegetarian.
But they eat
10
pork.
generation.
But they eat pork.
No, before Hashem he told Adam, you're not allowed to kill other person.
So after Noah.
You're not allowed to kill other peoples, and also not allowed to kill animals, not to eat meat, only vegetarians. But like 10 generation later, Hashem say to Noah, you allow
to eat.
to eat animals, but you have to be kill the animal first, or even sheep atay, it's okay to eat, but not allowed to eat live animals when she is still alive.
Big sin.
Yes, this is a big sin, and this is the last mitzvah for Noah, and then we have all the package together with the 6 law before. It's together, it's 7. That's why we say 7 law of Noah, and we say this is the 7 law of Noah's sons. Why? Because all the people in the world come from Noah, because all the others patay
Patay.
before
They
the
have a giant.
What is that giant?
Nephilim.
Nephilim. But all of them, no more. Only all the Gentile and the world, including the Jewish people. Also the Jewish people, it's
Is that true?
came from Noah.
Is that true?
Noah and his wife, and they have three children, 3 boys.
Is that true, Rabbi? That Noah also the height is very tall,
Like Moses.
like Moshe.
I never hear about that. I never heard. I told. Okay, and now, בשעה שעלה משה רבנו להר סיני, after 17 generations between, it's 10 generations between human Adam to Noah. Noah is number 10 from Adam. And how many generations between Noah to Avram?
7.
Avram Avinu? 10. Again 10.
10 again.
10. Avram, it's after 20 generations from human Adam.
From Adam.
Yes. 10 generation Noah, 10 generation again Avram, and after 7 generation Moses, 7 generation later, and after from Noah to Moses 17
all.
generations, and when Moshe Rabbeinu he went to the Mount Sinai
Yes.
for 40 days and 40 nights. This is the story in the Torah. And he got the Torah from Hashem, from the God, from Hashem. And he got all the Torah, all the parts in the Torah. And all the Torah, it's how many mitzvot? 613.
613.
But this 613 mitzvot, Hashem, he give again the 7 mitzvot, the same 7 mitzvot he give to Newman and Noah. He give from new again to Moshe Rabbeinu, to Moses. He give the same 7. It's including in the 613. It's including in that number also that amount also the 7 law of Noah. It's only 608 additional mitzvot for Jewish in plus that 7. It's total 613.
For Jewish 608, yeah, plus 7.
Plus 7, exactly. Yes. And all the people in the world, it's the grandson. All the Gentile in the world, all the people in the world, it's the grandson of Adam, of Newman, and also grandson of Noah.
Yes.
And they have to receive that 7 law of Noah, and we have to keep that 7 law because Hashem say. What is the reason why you keep that 7 law? It's not because Adam, it's not because Noah, it's because Hashem, he told Moshe. Hashem, he told Moses in Mount Sinai to teach all the people in the world about that 7 law, and they will keep. It's all that 7 law. It came from Hashem to Moshe Rabbeinu, to Moses. For Hashem, he say for Jewish 613, and for the non-Jewish people 7 law. But it came from Hashem. It's not only from the mind. Some people say, I am good person.
Yes.
I have a good mind.
I give tzedakah.
I want to be good. That's the reason why I keep that 7 law. It's true, but it's not enough. Very important to know it came from Hashem. Even we not understand.
Yeah.
Sometimes we not understand.
Yes.
Why? Sometimes we not understand. But because it came from Hashem, we don't ask a question. We say, okay, we will keep that 7 law. Okay. Now a little bit about the parasha.
Yes.
But the parasha, it's not that book. Parasha, it's very interesting about Balak.
Balak.
You know Balak? Balak, it's
Moabites. In this generation, Rabbi, what their citizen?
what?
Balak. In this generation, who's that country?
Country? I think it's near to Jordan.
Jordan.
Not totally the same, but the same area. Okay, what about Balak? I'll open the parasha in my phone. Okay, Balak, it was a king,
King.
and you have a friend from other country, Bilam.
Bilam.
Bilam, that's two people very bad, very hate,
Like Hamas.
like Hamas, Israel, like Hamas, like Hezbollah, like Iran, and they know Hashem helped the Jewish people to success all the war with all the people around, and them afraid. And Balak, the king, he asked Bilam, the prophet from other country, to came there and to cross like to cross Hashem, Chas v'shalom, to cross the Jewish people, the Jewish nation. You know that story, right?
Yeah, Balak.
And it was a donkey,
Yes, Balak.
a donkey, and he sent them people to call them, but he say, I don't want. And after a few times, Hashem told them in the night, when he dream about Hashem, and Hashem told them, you'll go, but you have to remember, only what I allow you to talk, you talk. Say, okay, in the morning, go early in the morning with the donkey. And it was a nice story. Hashem sent an angel. Hashem sent an angel like he look. Nobody can see that angel. Only the donkey. The donkey. She. You know that story. She look the angel, the donkey of the prophet Bilam. She can look the angel, but Bilam the prophet, he cannot see nothing, and she go. And the first time, it was 3 times. The first time, she just stopped.
Yes.
She just sorry. The first time, she just moved from the way, other side of the way, and then take the stick and
Spanish.
he
Spam.
span
Slab.
slav the donkey. And the second time, it was a very small way with 2 walls, right side wall, left side wall, and then it stay again the angel, and the donkey connect. She move near to the wall, and the leg of Bilam
Have damage.
damage with the wall, and again he spun the donkey. And the third time, it was another way, another place without not enough space to go right or left, and the angel stay with the cherev. I would call that cherev. Sword, yes, sword.
Yeah.
You are very smart. Sword, and the donkey, she just stopped. And then Hashem, he make a miracle. The donkey starts talk with Bilam. She asked them, why you punish me? You respond to me 3 times.
3 times.
What I make for you? Something wrong. Never I make for you something wrong. Why you make it? And he say, because you move from the way and you push my leg to the wall, and now you stop. And then Hashem make another miracle. He open his eyes and he look the angel of Hashem, and say, oh, sorry, I never know you are here. And he told them again, what Hashem say, you have to follow what Hashem put in your mouth. You cannot talk something wrong about Jewish nation. He say, okay. And then he came there to the king of Balak, and he he told them, okay, you have to cross the Jewish people. Say, okay, no problem. You bring a sacrifice, kill animals, sacrifice for Hashem. And 3 times, every day, 3 times, he tried to cross the Jewish people. What happened? Hashem make a miracle. He changed the word of them, and he make a blessing, blessing for the Jewish people. 1 time, and after that other place another time, and after that another place another time, 3 times. And then the king he told them, what you doing? I call you because I want you cross the Jewish people, and now you bless them 3 times.
Yes.
And he said, okay, you wait, I told you and the future about the future. I like to tell you about the future also. And again, Hashem, it was a prophet, very bad people. And not only for the Jews, there was a prophet also for the Gentile. Sometimes they have a prophet, real prophet, not fake. Why? Because Hashem say, Hashem say, if I give only for the Jewish people prophet and not for the Gentile will say, we don't have the opportunity to be good because we don't have a prophet. And this is the reason why Hashem gives also for the Gentile a prophet, because the work of the prophet to teach the other people to be good, like the 7 law of Noah, for example. And if someone make something wrong, he have a responsibility. He cannot say, we don't have a prophet, because Hashem sent the prophet even for the Gentile.
Gentile also?
Yes, sometimes. Bilam, it's not a Jew, but it's a real prophet, it's not a fake. And also we
But
have...
he is a Noahide.
What?
He observed the 7 laws.
It's a good question, because he make many sins.
Yes,
Later he make a big sin with the Jewish at the end of the parasha, the end of the story. It's not good.
Also is
The Jewish people kill them later. Yes. And it's a question if we keep the 7 law. Maybe no. Maybe no. It's not good person.
But why he is a prophet?
because he can
Talk what Hashem
what's
say.
procure, what's the procure.
Hashem talk with them.
Maka course ba siya
Give a message
sa atin
from Hashem.
barangan. Kung sa iya sulti mo matuman.
No, but it's a good question, because if someone is not a good person, why Hashem talk with them? Because for Jewish, if it's only tzaddik, a good person, Hashem talk with them sometimes. But for the Gentile, sometimes Hashem talk with the bad people, because
For the benefits of the doubt.
because they cannot say later, we don't know as a prophet. This is the reason why we make a sin. Because sometimes they have a prophet.
How about until now, Rabbi?
This
I
hope,
don't know if until now.
hope is
Because
The history.
you have more in YouTube, in social media, claim that they saw in their dreams. They have an earthquake in this year, they have in this month. They
But
have
it's not.
it's not astrology.
astrology.
I think not today. Maybe in the
They
history.
give a lotto number.
Yeah. How about this Eob? This is a gentle Eob.
Yov.
Si Job.
Job also.
So
Jonas.
It's a book in the Bible, huh?
Jonas.
Jonas.
This is Jonas.
Jonas, the one who ate the big fish.
Jonah.
Oh, Jonah.
Yonah, no, it's a Jew. Yonah, it's a Jew.
Ah,
No, it's a Jew from Israel.
but the book of
His soul is like the king of Egypt.
What? Hashem sent them to king of Nineveh.
Nineveh.
Big city. Yes. I think Nineveh is like Cebu.
Nineveh. No?
Big city.
Yes, they have also.
Very big city. And we read about Yonah in Yom Kippur.
Jonah. Ayun.
In Yom Kippur, the Haftarah,
Yes, because
the
have
story
a
about
Shuvah.
Yonah,
Yes.
about Tshuva,
Shuvah.
to return back to Hashem.
Because this Nineveh is a gentle word.
Some
This is
gentleman.
Why Rabbi?
some messages.
Why you say that Cebu is like Ninive?
Big, very
Military.
big. Nineveh, it's very big. Like you have to walk 3 days from one side to the other, maybe like Manila.
Yes.
3 days away, very big city. And
Some
going back to the Bilam, and he told the Balak, you wait. I like to tell you about the future also, and he talk about the Mashiach, the time of the Messiah.
Bilam? Yes.
Yes,
That?
yes. This is, in the prophets, in the Bible, in the prophets, in many places in the prophet talk about the Messiah. But in the Torah, in the 5 books of Moses, not so many
Not
times.
so many. Yes.
Only 3 times.
3 times. Yes.
The Rambam, the Maimonides, he counts that 3 times. And one of them, it's in our parasha about Bilam. He talk about the future, about the Mashiach Messiah time, and he talk about the Jewish people, the Jewish nation. When the Mashiach will come, he say will be very strong, very smart, and very strong. And he talk first about King David, and after that he talk about the Messiah, because the Messiah is a grandson of King David. And
King David is a
the first Messiah.
King David is also has a blood of Balak.
No. Balak is a
No, Balak is Moabite.
Moabite.
Not, I don't know if from Balak, from Moabites, because the grandmother of the King David, it's Ruth. She convert.
Yeah.
So the mother of King David is convert.
Not the mother, grandmother.
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 The mother of Boaz. My son, my son Boaz, name in the Bible, Boaz.
Also
It's a
your
grandfather.
son?
Yes, because it was my
Grandfather?
father-in-law.
Father-in-law.
He passed away 9 years ago. You know where my grandfather passed away? My father-in-law passed away. My father-in-law, he passed away. You know where? In Manila. 9 years ago. In Chabad in Manila.
What citizen he has?
Why? Because what?
In the Chabad of Rabbi Yossi.
Yes. He was Rabbi Yossi. He tell you all the story. He was the big rabbi. Before, he was a pilot in the Israeli army.
Israel army?
Yeah.
Before, very smart. In Yom Kippur War 1973,
He's the one who drive?
yeah, he drive a pilot, like the
Ambush the Egypt?
Air Force.
yeah, I told you then. Phantom
This
pilot,
F-16. F-16, F-14.
F-16.
F-16.
Phantom, it was
Phantom.
the best airplane.
Fighter jet?
He was a pilot, and after that, before not religious. And after a few years, he studied Torah, turned back to Hashem. He keep all the mitzvot, and also my mother-in-law also. She before not religious, not family religious, and she make tshuva. And after that, they married. They have 10 children, and he was a big professional about mikveh. How to build, like Calvin, almost like he was a big professional about mikveh. He make the plane, and also he was the rabbi, and he was also to build, because he also was a architect. Also all of that together, also rabbi, also architect, also make the plane. Now it's many people. One is the rabbi, the other one is the contractor. It was mixed. All of that. Only one person. And he traveled around Israel and more in all the, and also all over the world to build.
Of your wife?
Yes, to build mikveh in all over the world, and also one rabbi from Clark, near to Manila.
Panga?
In Luzon.
Clark Airways.
Angeles
Angeles.
City. It was
They have also a Chabad?
Chabad there, small Chabad there. Yes, and now it's a new rabbi because the rabbi left in the pandemic. He left. Now it's a
Like
new.
Rabbi Nir.
Yes, but now it's new. But before another rabbi, and he called them to. He make the plan for the mikveh there. It's a mikveh there. He built the mikveh, and he traveled there. It was 2015.
Yes.
2015, and after he built the mikveh there, he came to Chabad Manila, and he make the break stone for all the building. He put
the bricks. Under.
No, I call that the הנחת אבן פינה.
The wall.
Background, how you call that?
Breakdown.
No.
Brick wall.
Cornerstone laying.
Cornerstone.
No.
Under in Kabad in Manila. Before.
Laying the cornerstone.
The first stone, I don't know what we say in English. No, doesn't matter. Okay, you make something there about the new building of Chabad before he built the new. It was only a small house, and after that they make a celebration in Chabad there in night evening, and he got struck patay in the.
Why? What happened, Rabbi?
Nobody know. Like very healthy, like
How old are they?
62 only, I think. Yes, it was 62. He passed away there. It took like 3 days until they transferred him to Israel. I know it was before I married, but I hear that story because I know my brother-in-law. She have many brothers. I know I'm good friend with them. And also my father-in-law is very famous in Chabad in Israel. Very famous. Yes, I know. I remember all that story. It was a crazy story. And he passed away there in Chabad Manila. This is the story. Yeah, it's true. And about the parasha, he talk about Bilam. He talk about the Mashiach. The Messiah, and he say the king of Mashiach will be very strong, like the King David, and all the Gentile of the world, all the people of the world were afraid from the Mashiach. And he talk a lot about the Mashiach time before he left Bilam, the prophet Bilam. He talk about a lot about Mashiach. And what it's nice to know, what all the Rome. He talk about Rome. You know the Rome people.
Rome.
Italy. Vatican.
Yes.
And all that people Rome. All the
Idolatry.
it's connect to the Catholic also.
Yes.
But the soldier of Rome, they destroyed the Bet HaMikdash.
Yes. The second temple.
The second temple in Jerusalem, they destroyed the Bet HaMikdash. You
Yes.
know that the first Bet HaMikdash was the
Babylonian.
soldier of Babylon,
Babylonia.
and the second it was the soldier of Rome. But you know, before Rome, not Catholic.
What
In
the
that
religion?
time, they killed Jesus.
In their mythology
The Rome,
in their mythology story.
they killed them, but before not Christian, not Catholic.
So is that true story? That
No,
huh?
it's before the commissioner in Judah in Jerusalem, he killed Jesus, right?
Yeah. This Pontius Philip. Yeah.
Yes, but before not Christian, not Catholic, but when they destroyed the Bet HaMikdash, not Catholic. After like I think 100 years later, they say, okay, we now have a new religious
religion.
Catholic, but before only idolatry.
By the
Before.
team leader called Constantine the Great.
No, he's already.
The leader of Rome when they destroyed the
Constantine.
temple. No, Titus.
Titus. Yeah.
Titus.
Titus is the first.
Ptolemy, Titus.
No,
And
Constantine the Great.
Is that?
Really?
the one he destroyed the Bet HaMikdash, Titus.
No, because that's to recognize the Roman Catholic Church.
Later. I don't know the
Constantine the
name.
Great.
Constantine? Okay.
No,
You know.
Constantine is
And Titus, you know the story about Titus. When he came to the Bet HaMikdash, he destroyed the Bet HaMikdash, and he say, "I'm more strong from Hashem.
yeah.
I stronger from Hashem.
Really.
I destroyed all the Bet HaMikdash. I'm stronger from Hashem." And when he came to the ship to Rome, it starts like Jonah.
Yeah.
All the sea start moving,
Yeah.
almost died, and he say, God, Hashem, you have a power like only in the water, like because Noah in the Noah time, how we call it, the raining, the flood, you strong with water, you kill all the bad people in the world with water, and also in Egyptian. They open the Red Sea. Also, we kill them with the water. You want to kill me also with the water? Wait for the earth after we came to Rome, and then we'll make a war together. Hashem say, okay, no problem. And כסגן הסיפור על טיטוס והיתוש. תעזבו ממני.
כמה סזיפים?
כל כמה שאתה רוצה.
לא, כמה
אם לא יודע.
סזיפים? אתה קנית
לא
סזיפים?
לא לקנות.
מי?
לא יודע. שאלתי מה. And Titus, he said to Hashem, you know that story? It's in the Gemara, in the Talmud. Oh, you make a war with me with the water, strong with water. What about not water? After I go to the earth, Hashem say, okay, no problem. And Hashem wait until he came to the earth, and Hashem say, I have very small animal. This is the mosquito.
Yes.
The mosquito is very small. Why it's very small? Because he never give, he just take the blood. He never give something for the world. And Hashem say, I have that small mosquito animal. You want to make a war with me? You make the war with the mosquito first. Hashem send the mosquito, put in the noise of Titus, until the brain of Titus, she came inside, and she sit there, I think 7 years. And the mosquito, and he eat the blood, right?
Yeah.
He eat the brain of Titus, the king of Rome.
Yes.
7 years, it's very big pain every day. It was a pain 24 hours non-stop.
Yeah.
And one time, he walk around in the street, and he hear a voice of someone he make with a steel bar. Like a hammer and steel bar. And then the mosquito stop because the voice he stopped to eat the brain of them. And no, it was no pain for a while. Say, oh, I have a medicine for my problem. And he asked people to make like that in the palace every day, non-stop.
Non-stop?
To
No salary?
to make a noise for the mosquito, not make a pain. And then he brings sometimes Jewish people, sometimes he bring one Jewish people and one non-Jewish Rome people. And he give the salary only for the Jew, for the non-Jew, and the Gentile. For the Jew, he not give any salary. He say, you don't need a salary because your salary, you look my pain. It's your salary. It's enough. It's enough for you. You don't need. And then I think it's 7 years. And when he died after many years, the mosquito eat his brain. After 7 years, I think he died, and all the important people in Rome, they opened after he died, they opened the head and the brain, and the size of the mosquito, it go up like like
Bee,
gozal.
like a bee,
Like a fish.
I don't know the word.
like a parrot.
Fledgling.
Fledgling?
Guys, this
Guys,
langaw.
Flies,
Baguhan.
Not flies. Baguhan.
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 In English,
Ano laging kuan? Tambubuhan ba?
Like a small
small bee.
Bee.
Diyan.
Isang sisiw ng ibon.
Bigas.
Di, usa.
One
A chick of a bird.
chick of a bird.
Bird.
Parang nagpiso.
Chick of a
Chicken.
bird.
It grow up. It grow
Chick a
up.
bird.
Yes. Inside the brain.
Ah,
This is the pain Hashem sent them because he say I make a war with Hashem in the earth. No problem. Let's make the war with the mosquito of Hashem. That mosquito is the mosquito from Hashem. It's a true story. And Bilam, the prophet in the parasha, he talk about the future, about Rome. You know, with that people, they destroyed the Beit HaMikdash and they killed many Jewish people. Not only Jewish, they killed many people in the world. And Hashem is say, when the Mashiach will come, you know, Rome is came from Esav.
Yes, yeah.
Esav and Yaakov fighting.
a tweet.
Yeah.
Twin, they fighting, always fighting.
Yeah.
Sometimes Esav strong,
Yes.
this is Rome. But in the future, when the Mashiach will come,
The turn back.
Jerusalem and the Israel will be stronger from them. And then Mashiach he will select the non-Jewish, the non-good people there. Patay, the people they make a problem for the Jewish in the history. Mashiach is the one he
Like the
punish them.
How about
Punish them.
like
This
that?
Bilam say in the parasha also. He talk about the Mashiach. He will punish all the bad people in the world, and all the people was good with Hashem and with Israel, with the Torah. Where it was good with each other. They have a part in the
Ulam haba.
Olam Haba. And Brian, he asked me if the Noahide they have a non-stop no diet when the Mashiach will come, when the Messiah. If never patay,
Yes.
and the answer yes, never, like the Jewish,
Yes.
because they have a part in Olam Haba. Olam Haba, it's the reason of the diet. And also I check about that. I text you already.
Yes. Yes. Thank you.
All the Noahides, they have a part in the reason of the diet. Even patay, they will come back
Come back.
with the body. The soul and the body come back. Reason of the diet, like the Jewish, when the Mashiach will come. And also
Even
forever. And they will enjoy when the Mashiach will come with Hashem, with the Beit HaMikdash, or even the Noahides, not only the Jewish.
Even we follow the Shiva Mitzvot, Beninuah.
Baruch Hashem.
But how about the other people says that when we convert, we the transgression of convert are much bigger. They think that convert is not easy like that. They push me down like that.
Yeah, it's not
It's the part of the
But
trials.
it's true. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
Mm.
No. Our my environment, in Filipino environment is very, when we were very young,
But the rabbi says
it's not
that
the same
what the name of
as
the rabbi?
Jewish.
Folman, Rabbi Folman.
Yes, this is that much better. We have more people like community so that the we make more stronger
Yes.
to make it.
If we can make the community, we will make very stronger. But the problem, how to organize.
Organized. But the rabbi, that rabbi, he never say it's very too much hard or something like that. He just talk about the school.
Yes, the school is very important.
Only
Much important than kosher foods.
But I think it's possible to do without children.
Yes.
Maybe only the
Only
adults.
for the adult.
Like if someone have a kids, only the adults can.
Participate.
The couple.
Yes.
Maybe the children in the future. Because if the children, he also talk about that, Rabbi. If the children convert, they cannot married. Cannot married with non-Jewish girls, and they have a problem later. Maybe they cannot find. You are married already, no problem, but the children maybe don't have a choice to find a good Jewish girl, and they cannot find a non-Jewish. It's a problem. Maybe I asked the rabbi last week. Maybe only about the adult. And if it's only about the adult, we don't have a problem with
Children.
we don't have a problem with the school, Jewish school, no need. And also no problem with the marriage of the children in the future. And if they want in the future, can they convert also?
Yes.
And the rabbi say it's possible to do. But it's a little bit hard to make because a part of the family is Jewish and the others no, but I think it's more difficult to arrange the school and it's less difficult from.
Yes, they have children. They have
Also, our brothers, our parents, our cousins. This is very big problem for
conversion.
in our
What?
environment.
What?
Where in Leyte?
Yeah, in Leyte.
They have also their brother. They have also a relative. Your brother,
Relatives and also
the brother.
brothers.
Also, they want to convert in Leyte, but they have also
I
so
think
they
because of the
hard,
financial aspects, you cannot do it.
especially no rabbis.
It's not that they want to
But
convert.
they
But
cannot
winter
move.
here because the
Cannot
rabbi
move.
Bindi
Because
tell us.
you know, Rabbi, here in the Philippines, we cannot move easily because our livelihood is very
what?
hard. Very hard to get the
Di wala problema. Dili man wala problema ang pangwanta ko no ingon
Why
siya.
it's very hard to get the job?
Dili wala problema
Same
ingon siya nga.
same
Ang kanang korong
nationality.
ang kuan
here in
rin
the
no.
Philippines is very high standard but low salary. Low salary. When you apply, if you are not professional, you can apply job, but it's only for your
But
work.
what is the difference between the cities? Because the language, because what?
Now, cities has many